started. Jesus Christ. Right outside the door. We're doing brakes on the MX5 today. Basically, they've gone really spongy and I think there might be some water in the brake fluid. So I'm going to swap the old brake fluid today. I'm going to do it the easy way. I'm going to cheat. I'm going to suck up some brake fluid out of the reservoir with a turkey baster, and then I'm going to fill it back up with this, and then I'm just going to bleed each caliper, pump the brake, bleed it through. That should get rid of all the old stuff. Nice fresh stuff. And while I'm there, I'm going to have a quick look at the pads and the discs, make sure they're alright. I think the pads might need doing soon, so I'll have a quick look. If they do, I'll go and grab some now, and we'll do them in this video as well. If not, we won't. But yeah, let's go and get started. Right, so here's the mighty 1.6 litre MX5 engine. It is an absolute beast, as you can see. Here's the brake fluid reservoir. Where are we? We're up at the top. Let's remove that cap. So it looks a bit grimy in there. You'll notice there's no ABS pump on this one, which I think is quite good. I prefer it without the ABS, to be honest. My last one had the ABS. But I didn't like it. This feels a lot better without. You get a lot more pedal feel, I think. Anyway, yeah, so here's your reservoir. She's full up at the minute, and it looks a bit grim, that fluid, so hopefully this should sort it out. Let's find out. Slight problem. Can't get the jack under there. I have to drive up on a brick, I think. Try and get it through that way. Turkey baster. Actually, Reg, as you're here, you get two guesses where this turkey baster come from. I'll give you a clue. Oh, most of my tools are from there.
Oh, got to be Lidl, won't it?
In one.
Lidl's tools.
Only the best. I imagine if I spill this everywhere, it's only good. It's good for the car.
Works as a good polish.
Yeah.
More of a, what you'd say, a harsher cut polish.
fill it up just past the max. Oh, I need some also for in here. A one-man brake bleeding thing. Going to remove the little cover on the nipple. Put that on there. That slides over there to hold it in position. Now,
you have
spot the mistake.
On.
So that's how not to do it.
Always put your spanner on first.
There we go.
Happy?
Yeah, I'm just going to make sure it does. Oh, yeah, she's alright. Okay. Also, I've picked the furthest caliper away from the tank because I read that's what you do. Whoa, stop. Where did that come out?
No.
Hang on a sec.
Ready?
Yeah.
Down.
Oh, that's better.
And up.
Yeah.
Just give it a minute to fill up.
See the fluid starting to go into that reservoir there nicely. Just check that reservoir, Reg.
Yeah, I'll keep that in.
Alright. Yeah, keep going. Well, I can hear it. Loosen the bottom one, pull out the top. Ooh. Very nice.
Use a greasy pin.
Let's have a look. I love how these like paper clips are actually an integral part of the braking system. It's got a bit of life in there, a few mil.
Yeah. I mean, it'll go for a little bit longer, but
Yeah, let's leave it in there.
what's the back one like?
It's not too bad. Although, oh, what's that? That's your clip that tells you when it's time to change them, because it's squeal, isn't it? Is that right? Sure it is. I think it's when your pad goes past there, that makes a noise
Yeah,
on the disc, and then you've got to change.
that would make sense.
I think. A little bit of grease on there, really. Right, so what we'll do then is I'll put these back in and then try it, because I want to know if that fluid has actually made any difference at all. So, because if I change the pads, then they're more likely to be better, and then I won't notice the brake fluid change. So, I'm going to change them after I've driven it around for a bit, because they're not that bad. Because I want to notice the difference. Basically, I want to know if the fluid actually made any difference to the feel of the pedal that I had. A couple of days. I'll pick some up today actually. I'll pick some new pads up today. I'll drive this around, see what the feel's like now with the new fluid for it. And then a couple of days I'll change the pads.
If there's no change, or you're just going to change them anyway?
No, I'm going to change them anyway because they need doing really. But that's the good thing about these. It's literally 14 mil, loosen that, 17 mil there, loosen that, and then undo the 14, pull it out, and then it rocks open. So swap the pads, put it all back together. That's how easy it is. So for the sake of a couple of days, obviously it's a bit mucked about with the anti-jack car and all that, but it's not the end of the world. Alright, now we need to bleed the old bleed diddly. So I don't even know what that means, because this one hasn't got a cap on the tip. Give that one a little bit of that. There you go. Right, Reggie.
We good?
I'm going to pop that in there. Oh, look at that. It's like made for it.
Sit it down on there.
Shall we go and give her a pump then? And I'll deal. So a little bit of air coming through there, which is good because it means it's got fluid pushing it out. Still got plenty of fluid in the reservoir. Just going to keep pumping that through. Alright, stop there, Reg. Hold it there. Bit more fluid. Situation is, look at the colour of that and look at the colour of that. They're the same fluid.
Yeah, you can definitely see the difference between that black and that, which is nice yellow amber.
Yeah, so what I've done is I've sucked, this is the clutch master cylinder by the way, I've sucked out as much as I can with the old turkey baster, but there's like a small bit in there, and I've topped it back up again with fresh, but it's still pretty black. So we're going to open the bleed nipple at the bottom, which I don't even see it, it's right down. Do we need Larry?
Nope.
That's quite light, isn't it?
Wrong. There it is.
There, found it. So we're going to open that, and then hopefully gravity should pull it down, and we'll just drain it into a little container down there and just top it up as we go, and then put it all back together and then pump the clutch and see what it's like, and maybe do that a couple of times until that's clean. That's the plan.
Sounds good.
What about you? Oh, she's pretty grim, Reg.
Looking pretty brown, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not that golden nectar that was in there, or should be in there I should say.
Just see that dripping down there. Nasty looking stuff.
I'm going to grab Larry. I have no idea where that fluid's going.
Mainly down the subframe, but it's fine.
I can't even catch it.
Do you want to try?
Yeah, but I think it's actually just filling up the under tray.
Yeah, it's sort of running down the arc. Yeah, it is. It's just going into your under tray, really.
Yeah, come out on it.
Well, you can put a bit of card in there and it will guide it down in. Oh, that is a hell of an angle there, Aaron.
Oh, Michael Palin up there. I can't see what I'm doing.
Well, yeah, it's definitely dripping into the cardboard, but it's just going the same way. You need to turn it 90 degrees. Now you need to go towards the back of the car a bit.
Yeah. Oh!
Do you know what? Forget it. There's a lot coming out.
Oh, right, it's not
properly grim. You got plenty of debris in the under tray to soak that up.
Yeah, there's half a field in there.
I reckon you can open it right up because it's just dripping. It's not even. Like, you could probably do it with your fingers now, yeah?
No. If we lose the whole lot, then what's that reservoir looking like, by the way?
The minimum now, but it still looks great.
Oh, this is so awkward.
Just twisting your nipples again?
Twisting.
I don't know why you didn't do it from the top, because you can actually reach it.
Can you?
Quite easily.
What, easier than from there?
Probably, but then I can't film.
I'm well up for Subway now, are you?
Yeah.
Should we go and get one?
Test your clutch on the way down.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
And your brakes.
Well, last time we went to test it, it broke down, remember?
You broke down?
Neil showed you.
Oh yeah.
I still feel a bit. There's a lot of play just there. Look.
Yeah, that was the bit that I was funking.
It's like you you get nothing and then the brakes work.
Yeah.
Like push.
Yeah, it's not instant like.
No. I wonder why that is.
Could be a few things here. It could be air. Number one, so it's trying to compress that air before it's moving the air out of the way first.
Yeah. It just seems coincidence that we bled them and it still feels the same in that part of it.
Still feels exactly the same.
No, I mean just like that little bit of play that's at the top.
Yeah, well, I think that's pretty standard for most.
Is it?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Well, maybe I'll just expect more.
You think it's not a new car, is it? It's like,
no, that's true.
I'm sure if you change like some of the brake components, masters and slows or whatever, I mean, you'll probably get a difference.
Yeah. I mean, to be fair though, like it gets used more for like car club or hard driving.
Yeah.
And it's either on or off, really. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Clutch feels better.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
It's like.
It's a bit of a change then.
What are you doing? It's like trying to get a bus in there. There's MX5 though, we could park behind that.
Right shut now.
Yes! Right outside the door. Yeah, they just feel exactly the same to be honest. Right, that's it. Got a bit carried away with the Subway, forgot to film an outro. Always do. But they're feeling a bit better now. Like I said in the video, I'm going to change the pad soon. Next few days, get that done. So stick around, subscribe if you want to see that. Also got some content coming up on the 335i soon as well. Been a bit slack with that. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. We'd like 2 subscribers away from 300 subscribers, which is mad because I'm literally just mucking about in my car. And 300 people are watching, well, subscribed. So if you haven't, subscribe. If you have, thank you. Give us a like, comment, all that sort of stuff. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks guys.